welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a puppy dessert for your dog on his birthday if you can't make him like a cupcake or a cake. So first you're going to need a plate, some sweet potato spread, and some dog treats. I will go get those, hold on. If you don't have sweet potato spread, you can also just use normal peanut butter. Anyway, one last thing that you need is some shredded cheese. So first, you're gonna get your sweet potato spray. You're gonna try to make it into a shape of a heart onto your plate. So then he can lick up this sweet potato. I have a small dog, so I'm not making a big heart. Okay, that's how good my heart's gonna get. It's actually a pretty good heart. Okay, let's put this back in the fridge. Next, wait, you actually need it. You're gonna fill in the heart just a tiny bit. Here, don't do it yet, guys. I'll show you what you gotta do. By the way, I'm just winging it. I did not see a recipe for this. This is just what he can eat and that I saw in the fridge. So just do that, just kind of fill it in like that. Then you're gonna get your cheese, sprinkle a little bit on, just a tiny bit. Then you're gonna get a couple puppy treats and place them. I'm gonna actually place them in different spots. Had a lot of treats today. So, yeah. And now let's give it to him. I'm moving down to the floor. Okay. Here's a little doggy treat. Oh, hold on. I'm trying to take a picture. Oh, let's see if he likes it. Go straight for the cheese. If you guys don't know, cheese is his favorite thing ever. Like, really, if he's barking or if he's outside and we want him inside, we have to say cheese and he'll come inside. Does that taste good? Keep going. Cheese. Sweet potato. Just keep eating that. Yeah, that's the recipe. It's not really anything big, but I hope you guys liked it. He might eat a little healthy. I don't know. He's licking it. He's gonna take him a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, he's a cute dog. By the way, I like this because today is actually his birthday. Hey, how old are you? He's 1 year old right now. He actually turns 1 in May, but we celebrate his birthday on the day we got him, which is today, July. Do you need some help? I think he needs a little bit. Look at the yummy cheese. We got yummy cheese. Try to feed it to him. Okay. Anyway, your dad will probably like it. He's just small and I should have put it more to the edge of the plate. I put it in there so it's kind of... You can put his food on a plate, by the way, because he won't eat out of a bowl. He'll drink out of a bowl, just he doesn't like it when his face touches the floor he's trying to eat on there. Cool, so we're going to put it on a plate. There's still more. Anyway, he ate all of it. I kind of had to help him with the cheese and the treats, and I had to help him with all of it. Anyway, that's it for today's thing. I'm gonna make a playlist with all my cooking videos. I have it flicking the plate now. I have a brand new video coming up. I filmed it like 3 weeks ago. Still need to post that, but yeah. I will see you guys next time. Bye.